Now that we've done all the machining to the front, let's set up an operation to do this edge milling, or the side boring. To do that, we need a completely new setup. So we need a completely new operation. New steps, operation. Hit the new button. We'll name this side boring. We're going to keep it on machine 1. It might need a different machine, but this will work for us. Now for our 0, we need something a little bit different. The problem is that we really want to have Z going in the correct direction. So to do that, I'm going to create a new coordinate system. Personally, I like to do it by planes, so pick my 3 planes. There we go. Now I need to get the orientation of the Z correct. So let's see. What's on the Y we want to use to determine the Z, and I flip it the right direction. If, like me, this doesn't seem intuitive at first, just click the buttons a whole lot of times. Right, Kevin?
Yep, that'll work.
If you click enough times, you'll get the right answer. So there we go. We got Z going in the right direction. That'll be our coordinate system. I'll make sure I pick the right one. Oh, I'm the wrong one. There we go. The new one. Very good. Now we'll do our retract plane. Again, we're not quite sure how important this is, considering we're going to post-process. But as a matter of course, we'll make sure that there's some clearance for the tool. There we go. Hit OK. Now we have our operation. It's time to add a new step. This step is really easy because we're just doing drilling. So we'll go standard drilling. Got to be careful here. There's a 1/2 inch on mill, a 120 basic drill. Let's make a new drill. I'm going to get like that one so I get the same shape. Change the diameter, 120.
Oh, wrong size.
Oh! You want to make it that size?
There you go.
All right, thanks, Ken. All right, let's copy these settings. Doesn't let you do it. Okay, let's make up some fake settings, huh?
Sounds like a plan.
There we go. I've got a drilling operation. Just like we did before, it'll tell us what holes are available. Oh, that's handy. I like that. Look at that. Any holes in that direction of that diameter, you got them covered. There we go. Let's play it. Oh, that's it. That's all there is to it, friends. Oop, it's done. Drill hole in the bottom. Good, got it. Don't forget to hit done. There you go. Now we haven't done the machining on the back. We'll show you how to do that, but it's really a lot like the machining on the front. The key thing is that you're going to have to set up a mill volume, and you're going to have your coordinate system go in the right direction, make a new step for rough volume, and you should be all set. That's about it for that part. But Kevin's proud of me here because he doesn't believe this is going to work. He says, what's the point of doing all this? Hey,
Yeah,
Kevin?
that's right. You said this was going to be robust. What did you mean by that?
All right. So what does it mean by robust? It means that we can change the shape and we're still going to get something that works. So let's give it a try. I'm going to go back to my part because somebody wanted a different option. Let's say that somebody wanted to turn this feature back on. So, oh, sorry, we'll turn this feature off. We'll turn the other one back on. We'll do that. And we'll resume this one. And then we're going to go with the dunce hat. Okay, so let's resume that. Good. And somebody wanted an extra hole in there. So let's turn that back on. All right. And then let's change the guy's attitude. Since we use a little pro program, we can change the attitude too. Regenerate. Okay. So we have quite a different shape, but we should get the same result. So let's give it a try. All right, see you've got an old path here. I'm going to make sure that we regenerate here too, because It's a little different when it regenerates the toolpath. Make sure you click Compute CL. Alright, let's run it. We'll go back to this machining step. Play the path. Oh! Something's wrong, Kevin.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it completed that outside profile.
We didn't get all the way around the dunce hat here. Let me show you that again, folks. See if I can pause at the right spot. Oh, right there. It jumped off. We lost our path. Alright. Taking a closer look here, you see I've got this blue line. Kevin, any ideas what's going wrong?
Yeah, I think I have an idea. If you go back into your part, I think it's that surface you created earlier.
You mean the one I made that was super robust?
Yeah, the one that was supposed to be parametric, but you didn't make parametric.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so you probably should make this parametric in one way or another, so that at least covers your part. You can see here, it doesn't cover the whole part, so the intersection is incomplete. Let's make this a little bit better. So again, instead of making a parametric, well, no, we're still not going to do that. We're just going to cheat again. And there we go. So let's redefine our regenerate. Take a closer look. We'll see if we get that little curve. Yeah, there we go. She goes all the way around. So we should be a lot better off. Let's give it a try now. I learned my lesson here, so I'm going to make sure we regenerate on this side too. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Don't hit the wrong button. That'll help. There we go. And let's machine it. Hey Kevin, what do we do about all those radii around the edge of the part?
Those radii will be taken care of by the tool selection.
Ah, okay. So we're not going to try to machine the radius. We're just going to run around it with the tool, and the tool will have that in it.
Correct.
That's a good idea. Okay. Dooby-dooby-doo. Speed this up a little bit, folks. Here we go. Look, we went all the way around. Their machine made some dust out of the mouth. That's good. Do the eyes. Yep, good. Headband's good. Change his tool. Drill some holes. Got the holes drilled in there. We're set. Now you didn't see the end mill operation because you have to run each of those separately. So I'm going to go down to this operation and I run this. You can see its path through. But as you recall, it's pretty quick. There you go. Thanks, everybody.